Hi, everybody. I am Jenny Brackett Brooks, and you'll see my name is Brackett for a while as I try to update the system. I did go to UGA many years ago, and my name was Jenny Brackett, but I married 33 years ago and have been Brooks all along, but I still have to go through the process. Anyway, I'm originally from Holly Springs, Georgia, which is just a small suburb between Canton and Woodstock in Cherokee County. I graduated with film at Georgia State, and then decided to follow my passion into education and added my master's in ed and began teaching. And quickly realized that gifted was truly where I wanted to be and switched and have spent most of my career in gifted ed. I have a husband and 3 kids. This is my 23rd year teaching, and I'm currently teaching AP and honors literature. My favorite aspects of engaging gifted learners is that I can move quickly through the material. I was in the gifted program when I was in school and have always moved quickly and gotten bored easily. So I do love that aspect of moving and progressing and getting on to um, other things that we can pursue, like our interests. I've always enjoyed incorporating field trips and traveling into my classroom, which COVID put a major damper on. But a few years ago, I had the greatest experience of incorporating my family life with my passion for teaching and traveling and following your interests, and took a year and homeschooled my kids. Actually, we called it road school, where we traveled the country and I taught them as we went from place to place, basically following American history and doing Native America, colonialism, all the way through to westward movement and into the Civil War, Reconstruction, and then into the 20th century and all the developments that have occurred since. It was powerful. It was something that reignited my passion for teaching, and I feel like I've brought a lot of that back into the classroom with me. I look forward to working with everyone. Thank you so much.